Good morning. Beautiful Sunday morning. Cloudy but nice and calm, no wind. Just woke up, heading to the shop to buy some groceries. I haven't decided what to cook for today, so I'll just go to the shop and have a look. Just look around. I think you all know I'm from the small, peaceful village in New Zealand. Nice and quiet. Look at those birds. I'm from this village, the countryside of New Zealand. Nice and quiet. I just got to the shop. Just finished buy some groceries. Now I'm here to get some breakfast. Look at that. Morning. Getting some chicken kebabs. So I just bought some taro for my fadifu. I'm thinking of the kids will have their fries and their nuggets or fried chicken, but I'm thinking of for me, maybe I'll go for a pork, like a hawk, or maybe a lamb soup, supumamoy. Yeah. Fakong may soup le sa minimum macons. So right now I'm just gonna try the kebabs. This is $4.50. I bought two. Yum. So two different flavors. This is more like a steam, but this is like a grill one. Nice and juicy. And the marinades is very nice. They're so tender. They both taste good, but I prefer this one because it's moist. Like you're eating and at the same time you have a broth, like a juice. $4.50 each, so not bad. Nice. So I'm about to go to the other shop and see what I can buy, so I can decide what I'm going to cook for Sunday. So, yeah, stay tuned. Because you know, ava peke kango plans em. Sometimes mga ya pe unexpected. Ke ya lo sol me sa salu vinga like kupuso ya pa o alungi o favor o favor finga le e kapenga le de po ava pe o le sufala ile au o mafofo ke fa un ka de ka o skongai e kapenga o me o mo le ala ka o already o me ko la kun ka vale ma faisa o ki po sa lanche ave ai la ese so vinga le e kapenga la ke ro ke fi fa un ai ke o le sia so ko suile mood wo ke o ko fifa o so fa fo se ka vale o a mali e longo fiera ya songa ele well prepare vinga o me so le lucky o fa fo so ke sa pa como mo culo nga pe mo so snap la po ai o walu ko isa salwa fa yo lunch ka penga o rigs ma o hooks ma rods so le feel ngofu e maua ia ai la ki ko nga ku da la camera va pe se cavalio di ole sa e di ai bye quiet nga wala because I'm a good father, I'm a good man, I am the man. Mà để mang siêu le au wala nga wa ye mai ka vale vinga le au fai affair vinga le ke ifu mala marka e mo mai kos e set fa alu ke va maka ya alu lo vera ko fasil ka malo fulan makach ya la ku idis fa lo le ni bo ma la aku ko awang ikon ifa lo ke sia o fi fa dia ke mo ko nga menga sa ilong ako sa ko fa ya ku ya mo fo imay ko ba medis ka ka dili ba medis ka ka ko ba medis ka ka ko ala lo ngak malo tak pa ka un me malo fole malo tu oi aku makan kumpulan ku kolesa yeah stay tuned. You just go home and shopping, just groceries, just groceries for food for kongai and dessert. Anything salad mayonnaise samangi issue put some mushroom salashi nela fai momolo ke momolo saka kalu So this is the premium feature color. It's $24.99. Luar 5 ka. Ay 2 kg, 2 kilogram. Ay 2 ka lang. Nagpasi 2, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 5, 6 ka. Parla, FIFA di. Oleh Cuma falai nak kita kami kimal ko mo ay wala u puwa. Jadi ay puwa lo ko lu. Ya masak ka lang mamoy. Le supo pure. Vai uma ia fas povi eko. Mau sai bingin pakai. Kami dah abi kanggo kung ala awi fa ako laili. Kay man ka oli decompose. Nila kulo ulo. Faila sakar susil mamoy. Mau mafafawa sa ukay. Dela dela pwede fry sa commute. Oleh nah buat dela mo sa kapang ang nali ay lang hindi lang mo ang ay bikin mikir Syukur ano fai nga yo skati a fulo oi mo ko ifa vela lang ay walay spoiler na yung mo the germs Sangoy malis. Yes.
I want milk.
It looks like our Carlo is ready. Oh, may Carlo sak. Hala abi di pepe nah fa lo kamu aku itu ujung fa usin. I'm still trying to cook, but my daughter she just woke up and she begging me to cut her a piece of watermelon. So this one is 12.99 at the shop. This morning when I went to get the groceries, so I bought it to make the otai.
What's that?
But the kids want to eat it like this, so be it. Hey baby.
Yeah. To eat your watermelon.
Don't wake Sherry up. Let's go sleep. Halo po fafango mo nga ako. Yo, look at that falifu, man. Falifu is ready. My daughter's enjoying her. What are you eating? Watermelon? And I think that. Oh,
I eat with mommy.
that is very sticky. Look how thick the sauce is. And it's falling off the bone. Look at that.
Yeah, mommy ate with your watermelon.
It's just
Dad,
trying to escape the bone.
see? Mama,
Look at that.
some.
It's falling the bone.
Mm.
Look how thick the sauce is. Oh my gosh. The kids, they're still sleeping. No one's going to church because my wife is very sick. So just stay home and look after the kids while my wife's having a rest. And this one already eaten. Hey baby, you already eat a lot of watermelon, hey. So right now I'm going to do the chicken for the kids.
Daddy, chicken is not ready.
Mm-hmm.
The chicken is ready.
Mm-hmm. No, I'm not going to do the chicken.
The chicken
So
is there.
this is the flour.
Oh, oh my goodness! Daddy, this oven is here.
So this is the flour.
Oh,
A little bit of Chinese salt. Salt.
stop.
And
And
a little bit of baking powder, maybe 1 teaspoon, and
Dad, this is medicine.
black pepper.
Dad, this is medicine, Dad.
Just like cooking.
Dad, this
It
is
is.
Dad, this medicine. Leave it.
Leave it there and stop talking, okay?
Yeah.
Because I'm making a video, baby. So black pepper, garlic salt. Just add whatever you want to add in. Your preference. So like that. Just nice and simple. I always do this to every time I cooking. I like to keep it simple. And then you have to whisk. Okay. I'm going to heat the fry. Already seasoned the chicken. Just gonna add the egg
Dad, baby got chicken.
just so it can stick. The chicken is about done. It's what you call crispy brown. So the chicken is done. I know my kids, this is their favorite. Now it's time for the fries. Curry. They like the chicken to be like crispy. Wow. Look at that. Wow, crispy. Nice and crispy. This is the final result. The taro. This is the pork. Dia lang apua. The hog. This is the lamb. Mamoy. The corn. The chicken. Fried chicken. Salaki, with mussel, with rice. Cheers.